Well, we are all from beautiful European coastal cities. Venice, Barcelona, Hamburg, and Stockholm. All these places are fun to visit, but we came together in Stockholm for something serious. We want to explore what it means to be living by the sea. To find answers to these questions, we have been taking water samples in our hometowns. The first analysis of these samples is done in our school lab. Then, scientists at Stockholm University ran a professional analysis of our samples for us. And we got a lot of interesting results. For instance, as to the content of heavy metals in our coastal waters. But we didn't only do lab work. In museums and in the field, we learned about the geographic situation of the Baltic Sea, about oxygen-depleted zones called dead bottoms, about cyanobacteria, which arise as an effect of strong nutrients inflow from agriculture into the Baltic Sea, about the biology of the cod, a predatory fish which is crucial for the ecosystem, but has been overfished for many years. At Stockholm University, Sofia Wikström gave us a lecture on the Baltic food webs, and Christoph Hamburg answered our questions about eutrophication and other environmental problems.
In the black bars, this is really the smell of rotten eggs. If you take a sediment core down there, there's no higher life available there, and it really stinks like rotten eggs. So this is hydrogen sulfate, what you smell.
In a new-built Stockholm housing area, the Royal Seaport, we looked at visionary solutions for life by the sea. The area is equipped with advanced water cleaning technology, an automatic garbage collection system, and renewable energy sources. There's the aim to reduce greenhouse gas emissions caused by the inhabitants by 80%. The downside of this project, it's incredibly expensive to live here. On the island of Utö, we spent a night to experience what it is really like to be living by the sea, like people did in the former times. Here, we also visited a project in which wetlands are restored to shape safe areas for the Baltic fish to reproduce.
When it starts crawling on the bottom, they eat it. And then you see it fairly okay in here. We don't have to cut so much here. So when the water rises, we have these pipes here.
In different working groups, we tried to process all the obtained information and put some of the results down in posters and charts, which we then would use to tell others about our findings.
A possible reason for that could be that Barcelona has less agriculture and also a bigger tide, which spreads out the pollution more.
Besides all the scientific stuff, we had lots of fun and became friends with people from all over Europe. As for our living by the sea, we found there are quite a few problems we have to tackle. And it's a long way to go before our way of living becomes truly sustainable. In March 2020, we will continue our work when we meet in Hamburg. Join us on theseaconnection.eu.